Team of Cagayan de Oro, tinitigan pa! At agaw nga ba for Team of Negros? At
Isulan ng number 8, Trixie, number from the team. For team of Cagayan de Oro, number 19, Trixie number 7, and the Trixie number 1 is Trixie number 4, and Trixie number 10. That is starting point for team of Cagayan de Oro. Now let's get along. Let's play some pop-ups.
It's a game for Team of Cagayan de Oro up against for Team of Negros. Let's play some basketball. At number 7, creating some space, we have only 15 seconds shot clock. At number 19, 9 minutes and 15, not good. At number 16, good for 2 points. At call for a charging foul. Call for a charging foul para sa grupo, sa mga malaking bata ng team ng Negros. Cross-court pass. We have only 7 minutes to go. Nothing but net. Punit kung punit. 3 points. And 30 seconds. At is stolen for Team of Cagayan de Oro. Number 13, signing for number 11, Lilipan. For 2 points. And 40 seconds. Number 5, signing for Big Boy. 3 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. But for Team of Cagayan. 2 puntos yung naging pambara at may panulak pang isa from the 15-foot lane. Good for 3 points for number 19. Po ng Negros. 13 seconds shot clock. At there's a call. Call for a charging foul for illegal pick. Call for a charging foul for illegal pick or hindi maganda yung pagkaka-screen. Bibigay sa number 11, couple of pick and chopper. Wala pa rin. At putback. At good. And nandun pa rin yung pagtsatsaga for Team of Cagayan. Good for 2 points by number 4. Itong big one. 6 minutes and 48 seconds. At number 1. Bang! Parang sumasagit set. At for Team of Cagayan de Oro, number 1. At number 2, huli! Huli pa rin! At 19-hour running score. Pumapabor para sa grupo ng team ng Cagayan! Grabe!
Foul, courtesy number 18, line foul.
4 minutes and 39 seconds remaining time para sa ating second quarter. 16-19 lumat. Tawag ng timeout. No! Taken for Team of Negros. Nakikipagkarinahan! Good for 2 points for number 12. Let's go! 2 minuto, 29-19. Our running score. Good for 2 points. Big boy! 15 seconds on the shot clock. Equal pass, BB Bibigay sa kanto! Inimintes. Hutma!
Final score, 21-29. Lead by the Negros.
We have only 35 seconds na lang natitira para sa ating second quarter. Number 1, good for 2 points. Wala po tayong shot clock. We have only 10 seconds. Number 9 for Team of Cagayan. We have only 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, ball game. This is a game between Cagayan de Oro up against for Team of Negros. Inside! Boom! Namasa sa loob. 24-33. Wow! Good for 2 points. We have only 6 minutes and 9 seconds for Team of Cagayan de Oro. Hard for 3 points. Number 8, ibigay sa numero 5, Gonzalez. 15 seconds shot clock. Kick out for number 19. Binitin pa. Good for 2 points.
Run score 20-36.
Outside chopper again. 3 points. Taken for Team of Cagayan. Nakuha ng offensive board for Team of Cagayan de Oro. Pupukol ang tatlo! 3 points! 28-44. What a run! At yung number 12, sumasagot din for Team of Cagayan. 30-44. We have a 14 point. At number 19, pinapagpag yung depensa. Bibigay sa kanto. At agaw nga ba for Team of Negros? Nag-Alamarino! At sinisid yung bola for Team of Blue Shirt.
One position for Team Cagayan de Oro. Isa siguro sa shotgun.
Stolen for Team of Cagayan de Oro. Tinitigan pa! Basket count at may kauban pampaul. Basket count at may kauban pampaul. Pero mukhang mabigat yata yung tawag ng ating officiating referee. Dahil yung isa sa mga player for Team of Cagayan de Oro bumagsak sa ilalim. Bumagsak sa ilalim yung isa sa mga player ng Cagayan de Oro. Ang mabigat yata yung tawag ng ating officiating.
Kala mo matagal pa si game natin. Hindi mo ako pala yan.
May na pag-testing.
Ano ba yung gagawin lang? Pwede na may ads.
Entry basket count. Number 14, disqualified. And warning for technical from coach of Cagayan de Oro for entering the court.
Sa loob niya tapos ganito. Kaya nagkaroon sa mga din.
The throw out for jersey number 14.
Nakita agad doon.
Destruction.
Kita yung pitikin, no?
Out of the playing court, number 14.
Out of the playing court for number 14 ng Negros. I call for unsportsmanlike foul. Itong number 14 ng team ng Negros out of the playing court. At yung team ng Cagayan de Oro o yung Negros ng Cagayan de Oro warning for a technical for entering the court.
It keeps the side of the game.
insured. Itong team ng Cagayan, sila yung hahawak ng opensa. Number 2, ibigay sa labas for number 1, 1 minute and 15. 32-46. Our running score, side step for number 11. Seconds remaining time para sa ating third quarter. Nasa third quarter pa lang po tayo. Number 8 from the top of the K1. 32-53. Our running score. Last in the final quarter na po tayo ng ating bakbakang Cagayan de Oro. Wow! Grabe! Good for 2 points. Grabe yung ginawa ng mga player or sa mga player ng Cagayan de Oro. But for Team of Negros, step back. Siya naman from downtown. 35-55. We have a 20-point at number 7. Pero yung isa sa mga player nagdudumugan. Call for a double unsportsmanlike foul. Call for a double unsportsmanlike foul. Itong number 4 for Team of Cagayan de Oro, call for a unsportsmanlike foul. At yung number 1 for Team of Negros, call for a unsportsmanlike foul. Dalawa sila. Yung napituhang unsportsmanlike foul, titignan natin kung ano yung posibleng magiging hatol ulit ng ating mga officiating official. Dahil merong nakitang naglalambingan pero walang namamagitan. Call for a double unsportsmanlike foul. A player ng Cagayan de Oro. Na ginaganap dito sa lalawigan ng Iloilo for under 16 outside chopper. Pucha, wasak, wasak. 3 points. Siya naman pinapangalagaan yung 20-point ng team ng Cagayan de Oro para sa ating last na final quarter. Makikiranser. Nilinis yung daanan. Good for 2 minutes. 5 minuto ba ni Stolen? Number 4, lilipad. That is still for Team of War! Good for Tuko ng mga nakamaroon. With 2 minutes and 39, number 12, Binitan Pong! Good for 2 points. Two Sagos. Number 12 for Team of Negros. Good for 2 points. 17 Sagos. Outside chopper. Not good. Taken for Team of Cagayan de Oro. We have only 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good for 2 points.